Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Megan Horak about parenting during the harvest season, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Megan is back with the recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
It's the time of year for pumpkins, and today we have a pumpkin cinnamon roll muffin to share with you. Looking forward to this. This will be awesome, especially if you're heading out the door for school or for work.
Yep, and it's going to be a great treat even for after supper.
Yes, okay, so how do we begin?
We got all our wet ingredients here. I did the pumpkin, the egg, the white sugar, and it's the vanilla. We're going to mix that with all of our dry ingredients here.
I like your bowls too, by the way.
Thank you.
Do the kids like this recipe?
They do. My 14-month-old was actually eating it out of Grandma's hand, I was told this morning, before she could even try it when they went out the door this morning. So
I love that. All right, so you just mix all this together?
Yep, you just mix it all together. You know, it really doesn't take long to come together.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. We will have this recipe posted later on Facebook if you guys want to give it a try, because I'm looking forward to trying this one too. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect, right?
Nope, we just get it all mixed in together there. And then if you have a handy dandy scooper like here, you're just gonna take a full scoop and put that in your lined muffin pan.
Okay, so just one scoop is all you need.
Just one right there.
Okay.
And then you'll take your melted butter and brown sugar mixture.
Okay.
And you're gonna put a little bit on the top there. And then you'll just take your toothpick and swirl that together.
Okay. Awesome. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then you can just take a little bit of brown sugar.
Okay.
And put that on the top.
Okay.
And then you're going to bake it at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, you know, depending on how hot your oven is.
Okay.
And then you'll take your icing, which is just powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of milk, and put that on after it cools.
Awesome. Okay. It makes it so easy if you have a little handy dandy scooper
Yes,
like this.
those are very handy.
Okay, I got to remember to swirl it.
Yep, that's where the swirl comes in.
Kids would enjoy doing this too.
Oh, my 6-year-old was helping last night, so.
Making a mess, I'm
yep,
sure, right?
it's fine. it all cleans.
All right, so look how pretty that looks. It's going to be awesome. Again, you bake it for how long?
20 to 25 minutes.
In 350?
At 350,
Okay.
yep.
And so when we're done, they look like this. Perfect. Okay, I can't wait to give this a try. And this would be good warm too if you want to warm up your
Yep, you can
muffin.
warm it up or, yep.
I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do it. We'll just... Very good. Very good. Pumpkin season, folks. You want to give this a try. Thank you. Where'd you get this recipe, by the way?
I actually found it on TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah, that was fun.
That's fun. You never know where you're going to find the good ones.
Exactly.
All right. Again, this recipe will be on our Facebook pages after the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
All right, back to you.